Check My Brain is a simple yet most innovative medical test which helps millions of people worldwide. Did you know that the majority of serious diseases can now be successfully treated? For example, breast cancer and heart infarction are now curable. On the other hand, the treatment of brain disease remains a big challenge. The chances of being affected by Alzheimer's or other brain diseases is more than 50%. Even more frightening is that for the majority of brain diseases, we don't yet have a cure. Current treatments can only slightly slow down the progression of brain disease, and thus patients depend highly on the care from family and specialized institutions. One major reason as why we are currently unsuccessful with the treatment of brain diseases is the lack of simple tests for detecting disease in its early phase. To check other organs such as your breast or stomach is rather simple. The brain, however, is almost impossible to access since it is positioned underneath the skull, hidden behind the blood-brain barrier. This means that blood tests or scans cannot detect brain disease in its early stage. Check My Brain is a breakthrough in medical diagnostics. It is a simple yet very efficient test based on the most recent discoveries in medical research. How does it work? You need to simply sacrifice only 20 hairs and 20 seconds of your time. Pluck 20 hairs from your head and send them to us. By using stem cell technology, we will transform your hair cells into your own brain cells. They will allow us to detect possible earliest signs of developing brain disease. If we were to observe any abnormalities, we will then be advised to perform more detailed testings in the clinic in order to confirm or deny our findings. And don't forget, if your disease is detected in the early stages, you will be treated immediately in order to postpone the progression. In many cases, this means that you will never reach the age in which the disease may affect you. Now we are asking your help to finish the standardization of the procedure. Be our partner and help to finalize the test. Be our partner and enter history as one of the people who dramatically improved the chances for you, your family, and the whole humankind. Be our partner and help to offer Check My Brain to the whole world.